Why do linear systems sometimes have infinite solutions? Imagine solving a puzzle where multiple pieces fit perfectly into more than one spot. Sometimes, a set of equations can do the same thing. It might seem confusing, but there's a simple reason behind it. When you work with systems of linear equations, you are trying to find values for variables that make all the equations true at the same time. These equations can representing lines or planes in space. Usually they intersect at one point, giving you a single solution. Sometimes they don't intersect at all, which means no solution. But other times they overlap completely, and that's when you get infinite solutions. This happens when the equations are dependent, meaning one can be made from the other by multiplying by a number. For example, if you have the equations x plus y equals 1 and 2 times x plus 2 times y equals 2, they are really the same line. Graphically, this means the two lines are on top of each other. Every point on that line is a solution because both equations describe the same relationship between x and y. Algebraically, when you try to solve these systems, you end up with a statement like 0 equals 0, which is always true. That means any value of x and y that satisfies one equation will satisfy the other two. In more general terms, if you have two equations with coefficients a1 and b1 for the first, and a 2 and b2 for the second, then the system has infinite solutions if the ratios of the coefficients are equal. That is, a1 divided by a 2 equals b1 divided by b2, and both equal c1 divided by c2, where c1 and c2 are the constants on the right side of the equations. This shows the equations are proportional and describe the same line or plane. Understanding when a system has infinite solutions helps us see that not all equations lead to just one answer. Some describe relationships where many different values work, showing the variables can change together without breaking the rules. This idea is useful in real life, like in economics or engineering, where systems often have overlapping conditions. When equations describe the same line or plane, it means the solutions are endless, giving us a lot of options instead of just one.